Hey drone nerds, Andrew here. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has been out for over a year now, and guess what? It is still a content creation powerhouse. Here are 5 reasons why. Real quick, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and liking the video. It really helps. So you're a content creator or somebody who's really active on social media and you want to up your production value, create something different or new, or just want to capture some seriously amazing aerial footage. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect solution to get those eye-watering cinematic shots without having to hire an entire production crew to get them for you. So the first reason that this is still a content production powerhouse is true vertical video. The Mini 3 Pro has a camera that rotates 90 degrees to shoot vertical video that's ready to share to social media on the spot. No editing required. Having to crop into video that's been shot in landscape mode usually means you're having to stretch the video to fit the vertical aspect ratio, which can lessen the quality and make framing a little tricky. Being able to use the entire clip with no editing just means higher quality posts. Reason number 2, 48 megapixel photographs. If you want the freedom to crop into a photo and not lose any quality, taking ultra detailed 48 megapixel photos with the Mini 3 Pro's camera is the perfect tool for capturing memories from the air. What's more, you can shoot photos in RAW for the highest level of control when you're editing. Dial in your shots and get them looking just right. Reason number 3, safety and reliability. Mini 3 Pro boasts a seriously stellar sensor suite. With its tri-directional obstacle sensors, it can detect things ahead, behind, and below. Combine those sensors with Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems 4.0, and the Mini 3 Pro can actively avoid those obstacles even in complicated environments. Then there's the O3 video transmission, which transmits 1080p video at 30 frames per second right to your screen, in real time during your flight from up to 7.4 miles away. Reason number 4, creative tools. Let's start with master shots. Once you've selected a subject, the Mini 3 Pro will complete a series of pre-programmed maneuvers to get you a selection of cinematic shots automatically. Focus track follows a selected subject, perfect for getting action shots while you're on the move. Hyperlapse allows you to speed up time, and there's a 4x digital zoom, which allows you to punch in on your subject while staying at a safe distance. And reason number 5, quick transfer. No longer do you have to wait to post your photos and videos when you get home and have access to a computer. Quick transfer sends the files directly from the drone to your phone over a direct Wi-Fi connection at up to 25 megabits per second. This means you're ready to edit and post minutes after you land your drone. Your followers are waiting, and it's time to add the Mini 3 Pro to your creative arsenal. Follow the link in the description to get your own Mini 3 Pro today. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.